To turn the radio on, locate the power button. It's usually a circular knob labeled PWR on the radio unit itself. The power button can also be found on the steering wheel for easy access while driving. Press this button to turn the radio on. To turn it off, press the same power button again. Note that on some models, typically after 2010, the radio may automatically shut off after 10 to 15 minutes of inactivity or when the ignition is switched off. The volume is controlled by a physical knob on the radio unit. Rotate the knob clockwise to increase the volume and counterclockwise to decrease it. If your S80 has steering wheel controls, you can also use the plus and mash buttons to adjust the volume. Volume levels are analog, ranging from 0 to a maximum, often 40 to 50 units. Remember to adjust the volume safely while stationary to avoid distractions. If your radio isn't turning on, the first step is to check the fuse. The fuse box is typically located under the hood of the vehicle. Refer to your owner's manual to identify the correct fuse for the radio, usually rated at 10 to 15 amps. If the fuse is blown, indicated by a broken wire or burnt appearance, replace it with a fuse of the same amperage rating. Use proper tools to remove and install fuses safely. This is a common solution for a radio that suddenly stops working due to electrical issues. Due to the age of these vehicles, common issues include capacitor degradation in the head unit, leading to intermittent power loss or volume control malfunctions. Owners often report radio failures due to aging electronics. There are no official recalls or updates from Volvo since the S80 II was discontinued in 2016. Diagnostics often require OBD2 scanners or dealership visits, but Volvo's legacy support ends in 2026. A popular trend is replacing faulty original radios with modern aftermarket systems, especially Android-based units from brands like Pioneer or Alpine. These upgrades provide features like Bluetooth connectivity and smartphone integration, addressing the obsolescence of the original audio system. These modern systems offer significant improvements over the original equipment. Forums note a significant increase in such modifications in recent years, making retrofitting a popular solution for S80 owners. When maintaining your Volvo S80 II radio system, always begin troubleshooting with the fundamentals. The most common first step is checking the fuse, which protects the electrical circuit and can fail due to age or power surges. For volume control problems, such as a stuck or hard-to-turn knob, a simple solution is to apply a small amount of lubricant. This restores smooth operation without requiring expensive repairs. If replacement is needed, be aware that original equipment manufacturer parts from Volvo can be quite costly due to their quality and fit. Aftermarket alternatives offer similar functionality at a more affordable price, making them a practical choice for budget-conscious owners. Always refer to your vehicle's manual for model-specific guidance and check user forums for real-world experiences from other S80 II owners. As technology advances, the original radio systems in the S80 II are becoming outdated. While they were designed for simplicity and durability, modern drivers often seek features like smartphone integration. As Volvo shifts to electric vehicles, the focus for legacy models like the S80 II will be on repair, maintenance, and potentially retrofitting with more sustainable and modern technology.